Hey guys, Fix It John. Today's project is we're going to install a removable fence around the generator. The reason why we're doing that is because per the city code and our HOA, we need to have a fence in front of our generator. We're also going to bring one around the side to hide all the ugliness. And let me show you the materials I have behind me. Here's my materials I have. This is my fence slats I have. I have 36 fence slats. I have 5 6-foot fence poles, 6 foot long. I have 3 2x4x10, all pressure treated here, guys. 5 bags of concrete, 5 bags of river rock, 1 10-foot 4-inch PVC pipe, and 5 end caps, 4-inch. So this is what we're doing over here. I'm going to put a fence right there along here, a removable fence, and then one up the side here. All right, guys, I'm going to put a hole right here, and I'm going to put one right here. Now I got a gas line, it's running right at an angle here, so I won't hit it here, I'll be okay. And you want to keep your PVC pipe higher than the ground so it doesn't get filled with dirt. I also marked my post hole digger to 2 feet. I'm going to go a little past 2 feet because I have that river rock. I want the water to drain that goes into the PVC pipe. The power line coming from the transformer is should be 3 feet deep, so I should be okay with that, but still you want to be cautious as you dig. Hey guys, I know you didn't see me put in this fence post timber, landscaping timber, but all I did was level it out, and I nailed these 2 posts together with like 8-inch spikes, and then I drilled holes through both timbers and ran like 3/4 inch rebar, 22 inches down. That way it doesn't shift with the weight of the pea gravel in it. It did come out maybe a 1/2 inch from the wall after I loaded it with pea gravel, but I put a weed block at the bottom of the gravel so we won't get any weeds. It also has a channel of gravel up under this post, this landscaping timber, so that when the water comes in, it'll drain through the gravel. And this is not sitting on the grass, it's sitting on gravel. So I get years of good service out of it. Alright guys, I also got some, I forgot to say, some wood stain. This is real stain, real oil-based stain. Pacific redwood, so hopefully it'll match my existing fence. I have 2 gallons of that. When you want something to last forever, you use the oil because it will last forever. What I'm doing now is I'm marking off 2 feet sections, 2 foot sections, 2 feet sections for my post. If you guys have a question, I just love to help my friends, so leave a comment. All right, guys, I have a 5/8 inch paddle bit. I'm gonna just drill some holes in there because I'm gonna put gravel in it to here. That way water drains out. I'm also gonna put gravel on the bottom of the hole. Then I'll put this in and gravel inside of it. All right, so we got 5 holes in it. I'm not putting any holes here because I don't want any dirt infiltration. There's one. All right, guys, these are 4x4. This is a 4-inch pipe. It's not going to fit in there. And I bought that knowingly because the other one was a 6-inch pipe and this just wobbled around in it. I guess 5-inch PVC pipe is not readily available, so I got this stuff. So what I'll have to do is I'll have to trim the edges off so I can stick it in that pipe. And trace around in here and cut the edges off. 2-inch galvanized for the fence slats. So I'm going to start a full fence slat at the end here, so if I have to rip it, it'll be at the end where nobody will see it. And you'll want to come off the ground about 1 inch so it doesn't soak up water and rot. Now the reason why we have a removable fence, if someone needs to service it, they can remove this gate here, this fence here, and change the oil and change spark plugs, whatever you have to do. But it's going to take 2 men and a boy probably to get that out. Alright, there you go guys, I finished it. I put another coat on it, I wasn't going to, but it soaked it up like a sponge. And it'll leave it with a little better sheen on it. Keep it a little more weatherproof. There's the inside. So I hope this, my rendition of the removable fence helped you guys. If it did, like and subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and most importantly, thanks for watching.